Don't let go.
Okay.
All right, I've got this hand up too close.
We're all like, are we? Sorry.
You can get ready. Pull.
Oh, wow.
Hold on, I got a brush. Just brush them down. You want me to take it with my brush? I've got her. You want it?
Okay.
I get it.
Wow, that's the clip.
Okay, everybody. I'll let you have a real quick look at the queen if you want to come and see her.
I do. Yeah, I see her.
You're not going to keep her long. She's in there. Here's the cork we got to pop out. So
Again, then there's a sugar cube so that she doesn't then get
see
out
the
of...
stuffed candy? It's a soft
Is she
candy.
in there alone, or does she have attendants?
She's alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does that mean when they said that they have attendants?
All those ones that we just brushed off.
Okay.
Thank you.
We're feeding her.
Okay. So now what we're going to have to do is put, try to hook her in here some way.
Well, what if I just make a T with this little unit?
Yeah, I
and
think
then
it'll work.
hangs from the top?
I think it'll work. Just trying to find a place to hook it.
Right into there.
Go for it.
Aha.
Make sure she doesn't drop, that's all. Good enough. You see, he's got his hands. The bees are fairly docile.
Mm-hmm.
So you didn't smoke them before you did this, though.
Perfectly.
That's interesting.
Perfect. No, normally you don't have to smoke bees in this situation.
I'm starting to notice more and more bees around us. Are these other bees?
So Charlie, is
Not
that
from this.
next frame going to knock this?
Okay.
Should I try and make this flatter?
No, leave it just
Okay.
like that.
Great.
That's not
Great.
doing anything.
Great.
I think we're good.
What if it did knock down?
Yeah, that's my
that
question.
wouldn't be fun.
Charlie,
What?
It's
Linda's
still
coming
there.
to see you now.
Okay, we moved the boxes. All right. We need to set it. Good.
We're good on my side.
Traffic on this one. All right. Here comes the fun, folks.
Holy cow.
Oh, goodness.
That's amazing.
Take the brush and start sweeping them in.
Wow.
Your new home, little girl.
Look at that. Oh, my.
Come home.
It's fun to brush bees.
So these are 4 pounds. There's 3,500 bees per pound, approximately. Do the math. Well, how many bees do we have here?
Shitload.
Can you count them?
A shit ton.
Here's your new home. Home sweet home.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
I'm going to tap them. No, they're not going. Let's see this for just a moment.
And here we have a lovely black sagebush that the honeybees are eating these days.
Look at that.
And you're welcome to eat one of the flowers yourself.
Go right ahead. Beautiful. Beautiful move. See how careful we are about putting the pieces of equipment on?
Super.
It's off.
Isn't quite lined up.
Thank you. Oh, gosh. Get your corners on the back, bottom,
Okay.
bottom right. This one.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Are we good there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's okay.
Uh-huh.
How about this top secret?
It looks good on my side.
You're going to have to get this one out.
Something going in at the top.
Okay. Done deal.
On your radar.
Now I've got this here with a lot of bees in there, but they'll find their way back in by tonight. All right.
They want to stay warm.
Shall we
We'll go
continue
home.
our journey?
Yes.